Hello YouTube, today we are going to be making Ethiopian and Eritrean lentils. It is a vegetarian side dish, and let me show you what you need for it. First, you will need 2.5 cups of lentils, and make sure it's 2 water, 1 lentil, so you don't add too much water or too much lentils. Okay, what else you will need is another pot, a little bit of vegetable oil, seasoned butter, onions, salt, turmeric, and pepper. So let's start by boiling our lentils. Okay. While that's boiling, we're gonna start with our sauteed onions, which we're gonna add the lentils to. So just wanna scoop in the butter first. And then we will also need this oil. Just put a little bit of that. That's it. Okay, and then just wait for the butter to melt. And then once it's melted, we're gonna add our onions. Alright, so now we are gonna add our onions. So just scoop those in there. Like so. And then we're gonna put this, and then just stir that around a little bit. Wait for that chunk of butter to melt. Once you boil your lentils for about 40 minutes, it will look like this. And then once you see this, you are gonna pour it into your sauteed onions, and then once that's done, we're gonna make our sauce. So now we added our lentils that we boiled into the sauteed onions, and then once you do that, we are gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and then 1 teaspoon of turmeric. And then now we're just gonna stir that up. Until it's all mixed together, and then we're gonna let it simmer for a little bit. So when your lentils are thick, we cooked it for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's like thick, we're gonna add a little bit of jalapeno peppers. We just put these in the freezer. We just slice them and put them in the freezer. Just mix that up. Make sure it gets through, and then it's ready. Alright, so this is how you prepare the titsimo. We have the injera right here. We have all of our ingredients. And then there are a couple ways you can eat this. You can eat it with the injera, or you can just eat it with a spoon. So if you guys like the video, please give it a